Well, the guy, David, he came to pick Catherine up at like 7:30 with Elisa and Alex. That was the last time I saw her. Well, saw any of them, really. You know, I had asked her not to go. That building, it's not safe. But she didn't listen. She was too busy being stubborn and sarcastic and just Kathy. No, she didn't act strange at all. She was completely normal. Yeah, it's really hard not knowing what happened or where she might be. I do miss her, yeah. And it sucks, because all I have left of her are those stupid videos.
Hey, are we rolling?
Let's just go. We can worry about the camera later.
Hang on. I got it on and recording. Like, the little light is on, I just can't see anything.
Elisa, I think the lens cover's still on. You're not gonna be able to see anything until you take it off. Here.
Alright, phone's in the bag. No other recording. You too. About the camera.
It's fine. Rookie mistake. Just introduce yourself and we'll move on. I don't want that.
Hi, I'm...
Stop. You could sound happier.
Okay. Hi!
No. That's too much. Try again.
Hey, David, it's not that deep. Just say our names and get going.
Fine. I'll go first then. Hi, I'm David, and I'll be your cameraman on this little journey of ours. You.
I'm not standing till we go upstairs.
You don't have to stand. Just say your name.
I'm Alex. Can we go now?
Nope. Not until everyone introduces themselves. Your turn.
Catherine.
Womp womp. Elisa, your turn.
You just said my name?
Oh shoot. Sorry. I guess we can go.
Stop!
Hurry up.
Shoot. Hang on, I have to go back down there for a second. I left the bag with the extra batteries in it.
And this, my friends, is why we don't trust the camera to the least responsible person in the group.
Are you sure it was locked? Like you couldn't open it at all?
Yes, I'm sure. The knob wouldn't even turn. I couldn't get it to budge.
Maybe you're just weak.
Really funny. No, I'm serious. It wouldn't move.
It's probably just some kids trying to mess with us. This is somewhat public-private property. We just need to find a different way out.
I don't know. I didn't see or hear anyone until the door slammed.
You know, there's stories about this place. How it's haunted. It could be...
Nope. I'm not dealing with this, guys. All this ghost and spirit stuff, it's too crazy. Especially on Friday the 13th.
Either way, we need to find a way out. We don't have any water or snacks. It's all in Elisa's bag.
Great.
Yep. Wonderful.
Wait, are we rolling?
Oh,
Is it locked?
Yeah. I did learn how to pick locks or something in Girl Scouts, but it ruins the door forever, and you have to install an entire new locking mechanism. I don't want to be charged with property damage.
well, no one would really know it was us. People come in here all the time.
Still, it's the principle. Let's just keep looking. We don't even know for sure if this is an exit.
Well,
Oh my gosh! Did y'all feel that?
No.
I swear, I felt something. I'm not ready to die at the hands of some vindictive ghost.
Relax, Kathy. It'll be fine. This place isn't haunted, I promise you.
You find anything yet?
no, nothing.
No, just a bunch of creepy abandoned rooms.
There's a phone.
Date's wrong.
I dare you to pick it up. Whew. Wait, where's Alex?
Alex! Alex! Guys, we have to find her.
Are y'all okay? Looked like you saw a ghost.
Well, we thought we heard.
Heard what?
Scream.
Oh, that's what that was.
Wait, if that wasn't you then.
Come on, guys.
I can't get it.
Come on. Here, let me try.
My camera's glitching.
Are you still rolling?
Yeah, but I think my camera's about to.
Come on.
No one is sure if they're dead or were kidnapped or if they just decided to leave. They're just gone. I really miss her. It's been about a year now and I still can't deal with it. There's just nothing. There's not a trace of what happened or where she might be. It's awful.